Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel Tech Intro. Guys, today I tell you about Xiaomi new upcoming smartphone Poco X2. Friends, Poco X2 is not the successor of Poco F1. Guys, Poco X2 actually remodified version of Redmi K20. I will tell you in detail what will be seen in the Poco X2 smartphone. This device has 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 and an aspect ratio of 20:9 ppi. The Poco X2 runs MIUI 11, which is based on Android version 10. The smartphone can come with a dual nano SIM slot where both are 4G VoLTE enabled. The Poco X2 comes with a quad camera setup where main 64MP camera with an f1.89 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8 micron, a second 2MP camera with an f2.4 aperture, a third 8MP camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a last 2MP camera with f2.4 aperture. This quad camera setup with an LED flash are placed inside a circular housing at the back side. The Poco X2 has two punch-hole camera 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel. 20 megapixel camera with an f0.8 aperture and 2MP camera sensor with a f1.75 aperture. Powered the Poco X2 is Snapdragon 730 chipset and on octa-core processor comprising of two quad-core processor 2.2 GHz and 1.8 GHz speed. The battery on the Poco X2 at 4500 mAh, which is come with a 27-watt fast charging technology. The Poco X2 comes with a mid-range price tag. Price may be around 15,000 to 19,000. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.